Linking words for IELTS speaking. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're discussing a key skill for acing the IELTS speaking test, using linking words effectively. I'll share a list of useful linking words and tips to make your speech smooth, logical, and impressive. Ready? Let's get started. Why are linking words important? Linking words are like the glue that holds your ideas together. They help you express your opinions clearly, add structure to your responses, show off your vocabulary range. Using them correctly can boost your fluency and coherence score, so it's definitely worth mastering. Linking words for expressing opinions. Let's start with expressing opinions. Here are some great linking phrases to use. In my opinion, technology has changed the way we communicate. Personally, I think education is the key to success. From my point of view, recycling should be mandatory. Use these naturally to make your opinions sound thoughtful and personal. Linking words for adding information. Next, when you want to add information, try phrases like moreover. It helps people save money. Furthermore, it benefits the environment. In addition to that, we should consider the long-term effects. These linking words make your response richer and more detailed. Linking words for giving examples. Examples are a great way to clarify your ideas. Use these phrases. For example, many cities have improved public transportation. For instance, students often prefer online courses, countries such as Germany and Sweden are leading in renewable energy. Always tie your examples back to the question to stay on topic. Linking words for contrasting ideas. Now let's talk about contrasting ideas. These phrases will help you show a balanced perspective. However, it can be expensive. On the other hand, it may not be practical for everyone. Although it's a good idea, it requires time and effort. These words make your arguments more nuanced and interesting. Linking words for sequencing ideas. To organize your ideas, use sequencing words like, first of all, we need to discuss the budget. Secondly, we must consider the environmental impact. Finally, we should implement the plan. These phrases help examiners follow your thoughts easily. Linking words for emphasizing. To emphasize key points, try these. Actually, I think it's a brilliant idea. Indeed, it's something we should all be concerned about. Definitely, it's definitely one of the most important issues. These words highlight your main ideas and add impact to your speech. Linking words for concluding the loop. And finally, when wrapping up your ideas, use concluding phrases like, in conclusion, I believe education plays a key role. To sum up, we must act quickly to address climate change. All in all, it's clear that change is necessary. These phrases signal the end of your response clearly and professionally. Tips for using linking words. Before you go, here are some golden tips for using linking words. Use naturally. Don't overuse them. Integrate them smoothly into your speech for a natural flow. Keep it simple. Use words you're comfortable with. It's better to sound confident than complicated. Vary your vocabulary. Avoid repeating the same linking words. Show a range. Practice. Speak on common IELTS topics and practice using linking words until it feels natural. Mind your pauses. Leave natural pauses after linking words to make your speech sound fluent and engaging. And that's a wrap on linking words for IELTS speaking. With these phrases and tips, you're ready to organize your thoughts, impress the examiner, and boost your score. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more IELTS tips. For official IELTS practice tests, visit our website at www.ieltsworldly.com. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your IELTS preparation. Stay confident, practice hard,